This Japanese camper has everything. A full-featured motorhome experience wrapped into a vehicle compact enough to fit into everyday life. Meet the JP Star Discovery, one of Japan's most innovative camper vans, designed to deliver remarkable comfort, smart engineering, and premium functionality in a surprisingly manageable footprint. At first glance, it seems impossible, but the deeper you look, the more impressive this little motorhome becomes. The JP Star Discovery represents a uniquely Japanese approach to recreational vehicle design. Instead of chasing size for the sake of size, it focuses on maximizing every centimeter with thoughtful engineering and practical luxury. The result is a camper that feels remarkably capable without becoming intimidating to drive or difficult to live with. Built on a reliable, light, commercial truck platform, the Discovery combines proven durability with the compact dimensions needed for everyday usability. Measuring approximately 5 meters in length, just under 2 meters in width, and around 3 meters in height, it occupies a sweet spot between a traditional camper van and a larger Class C motorhome. It offers genuine motorhome functionality while remaining approachable for drivers who may be new to RV travel. From the driver's seat, visibility is excellent. The elevated driving position provides a commanding view of the road ahead, while the relatively compact footprint makes city streets, mountain roads, and crowded parking areas far less stressful than they would be in a larger motorhome. This is the kind of RV that encourages spontaneous travel because it never feels cumbersome or oversized. Large double-glazed windows provide both thermal efficiency and natural light. They help maintain interior temperatures during varying weather conditions while also reducing external noise. Many of these windows include integrated shades and insect screens, allowing occupants to enjoy fresh air without sacrificing comfort. The roof design demonstrates the same commitment to practical travel. Depending on specification, the Discovery can be equipped with roof ventilation systems, solar panels, and additional equipment designed to support extended off-grid adventures. These features expand the vehicle's versatility without compromising its streamlined profile. Storage is another area where the Discovery excels. Multiple exterior access compartments are positioned strategically around the vehicle, allowing camping gear, tools, hoses, and outdoor equipment to be organized efficiently. Rather than relying on a single large storage compartment, the design distributes storage throughout the vehicle, making items easier to access exactly when needed. The engineering beneath the bodywork is equally thoughtful. Fresh water, gray water, and utility systems are positioned to optimize weight distribution and maximize interior space. Service points are easily accessible, simplifying routine maintenance and campsite setup procedures. The exterior lighting package further enhances usability. Bright LED lighting improves visibility around the campsite while consuming minimal power. Whether arriving after sunset or preparing for an early morning departure, these lighting systems contribute to a more convenient ownership experience. Every exterior decision appears guided by a simple philosophy: maximize capability while minimizing compromise. Rather than forcing owners to adapt to the vehicle, the Discovery adapts to the realities of travel. It feels equally comfortable exploring a remote lakeside campsite as it does navigating a busy city center. Price-wise, the JP Star Discovery delivers remarkable value in the compact motorhome market, typically ranging between $45,000 to $50,000 depending on configuration, equipment, and available options. Open the entry door, and the true brilliance of the JP Star Discovery begins to reveal itself. The first impression is one of space. Despite the vehicle's compact exterior dimensions, the interior feels surprisingly open and inviting. Clever packaging, thoughtful layout decisions, and extensive use of natural light create an environment that feels considerably larger than expected. Large windows flood the cabin with daylight from multiple directions. Combined with bright interior finishes and carefully positioned LED lighting, the living area maintains a welcoming atmosphere throughout the day and well into the evening. The materials immediately communicate quality. Surfaces are clean, modern, and durable without feeling overly utilitarian. Cabinetry features precise fit and finish, reflecting the attention to craftsmanship often associated with Japanese manufacturing. Every panel, latch, hinge, and storage compartment feels purposefully engineered rather than simply assembled. The lounge area highlights the Discovery's multifunctional design, offering a comfortable space for dining, relaxing, working, or enjoying the view. Large windows create an open feel and connect the interior to the outdoors, while the flexible dining table can be easily adjusted or stowed to maximize space. The compact kitchen is designed for practical, efficient meal preparation, with a spacious sink, versatile cooking area, and a refrigerator large enough for multi-day trips. Smartly organized drawers and cabinets maximize storage for cookware, dishes, pantry items, and supplies, making extended travel and remote camping more convenient and self-sufficient. Continuing deeper into the cabin reveals one of the most important areas of any motorhome: the sleeping accommodations. The overcab sleeping area transforms what could have been in used volume into a comfortable and spacious bed. This elevated sleeping space provides excellent dimensions for restful nights while freeing valuable floor space below for daytime living. Large windows and ventilation options help create a bright and comfortable environment. Additional sleeping arrangements can often be created from the dinette area, allowing the Discovery to accommodate families or visiting guests. The transformation process is straightforward, ensuring that daily transitions between living and sleeping modes remain simple and convenient. Storage around the sleeping areas has been integrated intelligently. Overhead cabinets, side compartments, and dedicated spaces for personal belongings ensure that nighttime essentials remain within easy reach. The bathroom demonstrates another impressive feat of space optimization. Despite the vehicle's compact size, it delivers the privacy and functionality expected from a genuine motorhome. The sink area provides sufficient room for daily routines, and carefully selected fixtures maximize functionality without consuming unnecessary space. Ventilation systems help maintain freshness and comfort, while durable materials simplify cleaning and long-term maintenance. USB charging ports, power outlets, and connectivity features are positioned throughout the cabin, acknowledging the reality that modern travelers often work, communicate, and entertain themselves from virtually anywhere. Perhaps the most remarkable achievement of the interior is how natural everything feels. Nothing appears forced. Every cabinet, appliance, storage compartment, and seating area serves multiple purposes while still feeling intuitive and easy to use. That balance is incredibly difficult to achieve. Many compact motorhomes offer clever features but require significant compromises. The Discovery approaches the challenge differently. It focuses on creating an environment that feels genuinely comfortable day after day, not merely impressive during a quick showroom visit.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and information about RVs, motorhomes, and life on the road.